Hello students, your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Now going to tell you about your revision, that is for unit test. Okay, so first chapter, resources. Anything that satisfies human needs is called a resource. All resources have some utility and value. Resources that are provided by nature are natural resources. Human beings and their qualities and abilities are human resources, and resources created by human beings are called human made resource or man made resource. Sunlight, minerals, forest, these are examples of natural resources. Education, health, these are human resources. And buildings, bridges, machine, stationery, furniture, utensil, these all are example of man-made resources. Technology is also example of man-made resource. Technology is the application of the latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things is also a man-made resource. Natural resources that are present in unlimited quantities or are constantly being generated by natural processes or can be generated by us are called renewable resources. Natural resources that were produced by chance are limited in supply and cannot be generated by us are called non-renewable resources. Some resources can be recycled. For example, reclaimed from discarded things and reused. Resources need to be conserved, protected from getting polluted or depleted so that they can be used in future. The use of resources in such a way that present needs can be met without destroying the ability of future generations to meet their needs is called sustainable development. You can see in this picture, it is showing preventing pollution and wastage, preserving biological diversity, using more abundant resources, and recycling reusable resources are some ways to promote sustainable development. Okay, thank you very much.